up, YouTube? I'm gonna be showing you how to correctly put wheel spacers on. So when you're going 100 down the highway in Mexico, they won't fall off. And do not cheap out on spacers. Obviously you can buy whatever you want, but the higher the quality, the less likely they are to fall off. These are hub-centric for Mazdas and Rangers. So the center bore will be exact. These ones are 1.5 inches. I'm only putting mine on the rear because I don't need them on the front. My wheels fit pretty good. Yes, I know my fitment's not good in the front. I will be going lower soon. So to properly put on a spacer, you need torque wrench, thread locker. I use Loctite Blue, and your spacer. The first thing you want to do is obviously take your wheel off. Now ideally, you'd want the width of your wheel to fit flush without a spacer, but that's obviously not always the case. Now these are 18 by 10 plus 22 on a 265, 35, 18. Now with my width to fit flush without a spacer would be, I think, 11.5 or 12 wide, which is just crazy for a stock body. And I was already running an 8 mil spacer. All right, so now what you want to do is grab your Loctite. What I normally do is just start from the end of the lug and just work my way forward, sort of like this. That should be enough. Other people tell you use more, use less. This is just what I prefer. So the next thing you need to do is take the lug nuts that came on your spacers, take those off. And then you can put your spacer on. And just put your lug nuts on. And then you just want to hand tighten them. Do not use an impact for this part. All right, now that you got them hand tightened, you wanna grab your torque wrench. Wow, torque wrench. You wanna grab your torque wrench. Now my torque spec is 100 foot-pounds. Just look up your torque spec online and it'll tell you. And when you go to torque them, make sure you do a star pattern. Go from there to there, there to there, there to there, so on. All right, now that you torqued your spacer down, you can go ahead and throw your wheel back on. As you can see, the fitment's already 10 times better. And I haven't even dropped it down all the way yet. Look how tight that is. I don't know if you can see that, but let me show you the other side. This is the other side. You can't even see the wheel or the tire. It's sunken in so much. All right, now that I dropped it down, you can see pretty good fitment because I'm not even as low as I want to be yet. Now it matches with the front pretty close. So once you do that, just do it for all 4, or I'm only doing 2 in this case. Just repeat the steps and your wheel should not fall off on the highway. Don't quote me on that though. If it does, it is not my fault. But anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Hopefully more content soon. I should be making a video next week. I'm going to a drift event / car show. Sadly, the truck's not gonna be in the show because it's not low enough yet. I did what everyone tells me not to do. Get wheels before low. But like, look how good they look though. Anyway, like the video, subscribe. My socials will be right here and down below. Peace out.